products aimed towards the consumer staple industry, that is polyester and PET. And now that we have become the world's largest producer of polyester, and globally so, there is a lot of requests to us by our customers that what are we going to do on the part of innovation, on part of R&D. So rather than build the R&D, rather than build this capability in-house, we went and said we will acquire these capabilities. So we just closed Invista this week. Invista, one of the attractions of Invista to us was its R&D capabilities. And that's why we are also looking at something in Europe, which is Tevira. So today we would be not only the world's largest company in terms of scale or on a global footprint, but we'll also have the highest capabilities in terms of innovation. And that we believe is something that a company, when packaged in such proportions, really changes the game, makes the company sort of far ahead of its competition. So it's something like getting into the blue ocean strategy sort of a concept where you want to make your competition irrelevant. So that's the whole plan over here. So coming back to the formal presentation, the prepared presentation. So let me also welcome you to the IVL Analyst Meet today. We are here to discuss our growth strategy and initiatives, as well as our performance in Q4 2010 and for the full year 2010, as well as to share with you some outlook on the industry and where we are in the industry this year. With your permission, I'll skip the disclaimer page. I'll assume it to be read. So you have seen these slides. These slides were also presented at the EGM back in December. We have just updated these slides with latest information and some additional information that we thought it was relevant to show to you. Just to re-emphasize, basically, we do believe that IVL is a unique company. It gives unique opportunities. And I think by now you could be appreciating this fact about our uniqueness. Basically, our attractive consumer staple markets make polyester an attractive growth business in which IVL has today emerged as a global leader. IVL has scale. IVL is the largest polyester company in Europe and in North America. IVL has also integration in its primary feedstock PTA, which serves to both give value add and supply safety. You may not realize it today, but PTA is very tight. The downstream capacities of PET and polyester fiber in lots of parts of the world, including Europe, are not operating fully because of the tightness of PTA. So in the past, when we said this acts as a safety, many people may not have given it much importance, but today we see the benefit of having this integration of PTA, not only in terms of margin enhancement, but also in terms of having the ability to fully utilize our capacities, our downstream capacities. The IVL business model has therefore given high returns to its shareholders due to its ability to grow both top-line earnings and earnings at strong double-digit rates. So let me explain what I mean by our unique business model and strategy. Firstly, the global footprint that we have. This is a very key aspect of our business model, and I think this is foremost, which allows us to grow in every region and serve our customers better. Growth, in turn, gives us scale and the ability to be the lowest cost producer. Multiple plants also allow us to be more reliable and bring us closer to the customers. Being close to customers reduces our logistic cost, and scale allows us to integrate where we want. Next, please. All our business segments generate healthy returns and leverage on each other. Our technical skills get enhanced because we have an amazing set of people around the world who have deep understanding of our customer needs and the capability to deliver upon it. Our recent acquisition in the West now allows us to excel in R&D, through which we intend to increase the presence of polyester in everyday life. I'm not going through reading those slides. These slides, I understand, are available with you as well. The business in 2010 has delivered record returns. In Q4 itself, it was our best quarter to date, and as we speak, the business continues to deliver. On this slide, basically, we wanted to share with you our market position today in North America and in Europe. We have the largest market share in both of these Western markets. These two markets are also quite snug in supply. That means in Western Europe, as you can see, the total demand exceeds the total supply. In USA, the demand is quite snug. The operating rates are quite high. This includes Alpha PET. This includes that large PET plant that we started up early last year. We added 15% new capacity in that market in 2010. So today, the operating rates at all our plants are running at full utilization. The markets are tight, as I mentioned earlier. So this market share that we have in the US or in North America and in Europe, I think will, in the long term, deliver more value to us. So the Indorama value creation strategy basically is the position of IVL in polyester, which has been built over time with focus and keeping our customers and shareholders in mind. The strength of our leadership team also has allowed to build a business that is resilient, the largest in the world, and having the lowest cost in the industry. We are continuing to invest with care in growth, innovation, as we showed you the Travera video, and keeping the environment friendly. To better appreciate IVL, I think it is important for us to understand our industry. The polyester value chain, basically, we buy our feedstock from energy majors like ExxonMobil, BP, PTT, and we deliver our products to consumer staple companies, the big brand owners, both in the polyester fiber space as well as in the packaging space. They, in turn, distribute these products to hypermarkets like Walmart's. So, though we are in the petrochemical chain, though we are a petrochemical company, but we are very unlike a typical petrochemical company, which means we are not cyclical. We have now gone through cycles. We have also gone through high crude oil prices. We have seen that the demand of our products always remain healthy in all market environments. So this is a very important fact about our industry, and it's resilient. And this defensive nature of our industry allows the management to be aggressive in its growth plan. That's why we can continue to build on, basically we have to build upon our customers' needs. So when our customers serve our customers well, keep our cost competitive, and do a little bit more than what others can do in terms of innovation, and having multiple plants, reliability is a very important factor for our customers.